guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. All right, today is lipstick day. National Lipstick Day. Who comes up with this stuff, you guys? Who comes up with this stuff? But I love lipstick, as you very well know. It's one of my favorite things. I wear it almost every day in some form, whether it be a lipstick, lip gloss, matte lip, liquid lip, you name it. I love it. So I thought I would share with you my favorite lip products, whether it be lipstick, lip gloss, lip liner, lip care, and just show you some of my favorites, because I really have a lot of favorites. But I thought I'd share some of those with you on National Lipstick Day. So as always, if you are already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. And if you are not yet subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button and apparently the notification bell, or they'll just unsubscribe you. Yes, that has happened to some of my subscribers, and they're like, oh my God, we didn't even know, you know? So apparently you have to hit that notification bell as well. So without further ado, let's jump right in and let's talk lips. All right, so let's go ahead and I'm just gonna jump right in no particular order, other than I'm going to start with my favorite lip scrub and lip balm. Okay, so this is my favorite lip scrub and lip balm. It does come in a duo and it is by Magnolia. And I'll show you a video here of my using it just so that we can move things along. This is an amazing lip scrub because it's not overly sugary and it has a little bit of like a spearmint to it. And so when I put it on, I'll actually leave it on because the little granules will just dissipate, and then I'll wipe it off maybe an hour later. It just feels so good. And then every single day and night I use the Magnolia lip balm, and this is what it looks like. It's just a clear lip balm and I love this. So I'll put this on while I'm putting on all the rest of my makeup before I put on my lip products. It's really great. Let's talk about lip plumping. This should be no surprise to you if you've watched my channel. It is Maxi Lip by Vivint, and I love this. This is an awesome product. I also use this. It's in a chapstick form, so it looks like this. It does a little on the pricey side, but it lasts a really long time, you know, depending on how often you use it. And I probably use it almost every day because I just love that tingly, plumpy feel. I will tell you, when you first use this, you're gonna feel some tingling, and then you just become, you know, used to it. It's like anything else. But this I highly recommend. Love it. Magnolia H3, love this. H3 stands for hydrating, 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 and this is the most hydrating lip gloss. It is absolutely wonderful, and these are three of my favorite shades. So again, I'll have video here for you, but let me just read them off. Again, I have to put my little cheat sheets on. So this is Tea Rose. I'll show you Tea Rose first, and then we have Orchid Berry and Shimmering Nude. The reason I like these three is they kind of give you everything you need. So Shimmering Nude's kind of that more in the brown family. You have Orchid Berry, which is in the mauve, and then the Tea Rose, which is more in the pinky nude family. So it's nice if you want to get the trio, if it's still available. I'll link everything in the description box as always. Oh, and I almost forgot, because as I was already doing the links this morning for you guys, I found so many things that were on sale. This is one of them. These are normally $20. They're 50% off. So there's a lot of lip products on sale, and if I can find it on sale for you guys, I list it in the description box, so just FYI. All right. I was trying to just find one or two colors in each thing that I, you know, like if it's a whipped lip matte, oh, let me just find my two favorite colors. I have 12 of the julep and I love every single color. So I was like, okay, let me just narrow it down to 4. I thought that was pretty good, actually. So I will show you here. And this one is Bazoo Bazoo. I call it Bazoo Bazoo. It's Bazoo. It's beautiful. I love the color. It's a very nice mauve-y color. I tried to break it into categories for you here. Say Hello is a very beautiful, this is the packaging by the way, and it's gorgeous. Say Hello is like a very, kind of more on the nude side, but just got some really pretty color to it. And then I have, and then I have two reds. Reds are hard, right guys? I mean, but these two are both so beautiful. I have, what do we have? Lip Lock and At Midnight. And I'm gonna show you these side by side because they're each so different. One is more like a orangey red and the other is more like a mauvey red. But they're both, so pretty on. So this is Lip Lock, and then this is At Midnight. Oh, they're so beautiful. Neither one of these reds make my teeth look yellow. You know, reds can have a tendency to do that. These do not, and they're so moisturizing. Oh, and the applicator, y'all, it's shaped like a woman's body. That's how I always say that. And I love it because it fits right in, you know, your lower lip, and then the pointed end, you know, the rounded end, you could just, I don't even wear lip liner with these. These are just so beautiful. Seriously great. Okay, as far as, let's talk Tarte. I just did a video on the Lip Sculptor Duo. I love these. This one is my favorite, and this is in Kind. And on one end it has a lipstick, and on the other it is a lip gloss. As you can see here. So doe foot applicator on the other end. Love, 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 love these, especially during the summer because they're just so moisturizing and hydrating and beautiful. I just love the color. So this one is my favorite in Kind, but I have it in two other colors that I like as well. But, and then the other is the little Rainforest lipsticks. I got a little quad, so there's like 4 of these little babies to test out, and this one I think is the new, I cannot get this, I'll have everything in the list. It's so tiny I can't even read it with my glasses. This is the color, so pretty, so moisturizing. It's what I have on today. Oh god, it is so pretty. Look at that. And hydrating, and oh, it's such a good neutral. Beautiful, love that. All right, let's talk if you're just wanting to, like, this is what I wear. This is Perricone MD No Lipstick. This is what it looks like. It comes in one shade, and it's beautiful. I love the packaging too. Here's what I love about this. This always is in my beach bag. Like if I'm going to a resort or the pool or whatever, I can put this on without a mirror, and it's super hydrating. It has really good skincare properties in it. It has an SPF of 15. This is a great, it's like a cross between, it's like a lip balm, but even better. Like a lip balm on steroids, because it has so much good stuff in it, and it has just a tint of color. And there's even an expiration date on this. So I love anything with skincare in it, and that has it. Now, as far as a liquid lip, I just recently tried Laura Lee's liquid lips, and Jaybird by far is my favorite. Oh, I love this color. It has a doe foot applicator. The packaging is very beautiful, and this one's the bomb, guys. If you want a nice, just neutral but beautiful color, Jaybird is it. Then I do have a couple from Colourpop, and one is Aquarius and the other is Sauce. One is a nude. This is the packaging, and the price point on these are great. I mean, they look like little markers actually. So this is Aquarius, and then this is Sauce. So we have a nude and then we have a mauve, and both of these are beautiful. And look, they're $5, you guys. I mean, right? This is great. Let's talk lip liners now, some of my favorites. Okay, oops. All right, some of my favorite. Okay, let's stick with Colourpop. Colourpop, this is my favorites in the color Aquarius, but I also love BFF as well. These are great, beautiful, neutral. I just love the color. This one has a slight pinky tinge to it, and it's just so pretty. Love it. And then let's go to Huda Beauty. I got their lip kit. I actually have 3 of them. Super cute, by the way. This is another one of my favorite things because it has, inside it has a lip pencil, which this is my favorite lip pencil. That's why I took it out. So it has a lip pencil. It has the liquid lip, and then it has like a lip strobe, which is like a kind of a, it's like a lip gloss but on steroids. So it's super shiny, but this would make such a cute gift. And let me just show you how cute. Like, this is the nude one, this is more of a mauve-y one, and they're called the Contour Strobe and Lip Kits, and they're so adorable and super cute. But what I loved most about this was the lip pencil. So although this is cute for a gift, the lip pencils are the bomb. They are soft. They stay on forever. And this particular color, this one is in the color Muse. Oh my gosh, love this color. Such a pretty, pretty, pretty color. This is Muse right here. Gorgeous. And because I have a holy grail, and this rivals the Holy Grail. You're asking, what's the Holy Grail? But totally recommend this, beautiful. My Holy Grail is It by It Cosmetics, Your Lips But Better. The reason I like that is they are waterproof and they stay on forever, and they glide on beautifully. They don't tug at your lips, just beautiful. This is Romantic Rose. Do you see? It's like all of them. Romantic Rose, which is right here. And then this one is Spicy Nude, which is beautiful as well. And there is Spicy Nude. And they're just gorgeous. I mean, they're, you know, I'm very particular with lip liners because I do have fine lines around the mouth. So I want things that, you know, glide on. They're not gonna run into the fine lines. Neither the It Cosmetics or the Huda Beauty or the Colourpop will run into your fine lines. And the Huda Beauty and the It Cosmetics will last all day. It blows my mind. So usually what I do is if I want my lipstick or whatever to last all day, I will put it on, and then I will go ahead and fill in my lips so that it'll last all day. All right, guys, so those are my favorite lip products for National Lipstick Day. I love that kind of. Did you all ever see Minions? I love the Minions movie. And when she goes, lipstick teaser. Okay, it's like my favorite part of that movie. My son just cracks up when I do it because I think it's just so funny. Anyway, so National Lipstick Day, hooray, I love it. So hopefully you like my favorites. As always, I'll have everything listed in the description box, and I hope you guys have a great day.